Hello, ndị ọma, ụmụ Igbo ndị ọma, ụmụ Igbo ndị nje aha ha aba, ụmụ Igbo ndị si m na mgbawa na m kwụsị ma kwụsị maka na ama m na ụmụ Igbo kwụ m n'azụ. Ihe a wụ that drone and making this video so that ka anyị mee ya unwrap. This drone see from our great brother Chief Benedict Ohanyenwa. Chief Benedict today is Ohanyenwa. You know, it came, I mean, quite on time, like timely. This drone, by the grace of God, it will redefine our films, you know. And the thing is, based on our expedition, tracing the Igbo land access to the ocean expedition, this will go a long way to bring you each nautical miles that we take on that expedition, you know, so that you can see how the terrain of those waters, the distance from Igbo land directly to the ocean. So I'm unwrapping this package. Biko no mu Igbo biko kelere no Chief Benedict Ohanyenwa, CEO Abuja International Food Stores, all the way from Maryland, United States of America. And I'm calling on every other well-meaning Igbo people. Come out and support what we are doing. You can support directly or indirectly, but this is the time that Ndi IGBO should be conscious of our identity. This is it. This is it. This is it. Fresh, new, and direct. Umu Igbo bikonu. Putawanu. Wow. This is beautiful. Quite portable. You know, it doesn't need to be large, but then this is high resolution. I love this. I love this already. The packaging is quite beautiful. Wow. Wow. I have the manual. These are the wings. I have the manual here. Thank you to Chief Benedict Ohanyenwa, CEO, Abuja International Food Stores, all the way from Maryland, United States. This is the manual. I got Matacho fix here from here. I think this is the control pad. This is the control pad. So what else can we ask for? What else can we ask for? Wow, I think this will go a long way. This is the control pad. Affordable aircraft. Jesus manual. Wow, man. I swear that HD camera. Camera no show any in. Okay. Well, we'll handle it with care. Okay. 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 This is an aircraft. Yeah. Okay. Are you saying this? This could be what? All right, with the manual, we'll learn how to fly it. We'll learn how to fly it. For real. I think the battery should be here. That is how they got game console. PS5. You know. So these are the cameras. I mean, it has about how many lenses? I'm seeing about 3 lenses here. Come on. We have some learning to do. Okay. This is the battery. I think so. Yeah, I got mama kanku. Okay. It has an extra battery, so 2 batteries. Correct. Okay. It blinked, right? It's on. It's on. And this is machine. We don't really do. I can't remember battery. All right, I'll figure it out. Like I said, I have some learnings to do. And most of these things, if they're in China, you have to look for the English version. All right, my own people, we'll keep studying so that we can understand better how it works. So most of the writings here are done in China, but I'll look for the English aircraft installation. The battery is on. This one is on. So I need to set it up here. Okay. All right, you can cut.